Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to rig a cube in Maya 2022. So let's get started. Take a polygon cube, increase the width, height and depth of the cube to 10. Subdivision width, height and depth of the cube to 8. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Right click, assign new material. Select blend. Change modeling menu to rigging menu. Go to skeleton, create joint, create one joint here. Press enter. Increase the joint radius to 1. Now press V to snap the joint at the center of your cube. Turn on X-ray joint mode. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and press V and snap it at the lower bottom of your cube. Rename this one as upper joint and this one as lower joint. Now deselect all. Press Ctrl plus Z to create a group and copy the name. Paste it to type here upper joint group GRP. Again duplicate this, Ctrl plus D, and rename this group as lower joint group. Select your upper joint group. Press V to snap the pivot point to your upper joint. Select your lower joint group. Press V to snap the pivot point at your lower joint. See? Now select your upper joint and parent it to upper joint group and lower joint to lower joint group. Now check the translate value. All are 0. Now select these two joint. Select your cube. Go to skin, click bind skin. Try to move and see the effect. Go to create polygon primitives. Take a polygon plane. Edit, reset the setting. Type here width, subdivision width and height to 1. Click create. Increase the size of your plane and rotate the plane 90 degrees along x-axis. Select your upper joint and lower joint and your plane skin. Click bind skin. Now select your polygon plane. Shift select your polygon cube. Skin, click copy skin weight. Now hide your polygon plane. Select upper joint. Try to move and see. See the effect. Ctrl G to undo. Now go to curve and surfaces. Take a nerve circle. Increase the size of the nerve circle. Go to modify. Click freeze transformation. Edit. Delete by type. Delete history. Rename this one as controller. Now parent the controller to your upper joint group and 0 the value, translate value. Now select your controller, select your upper joint, go to Windows, open node editor. Remove the shape node. Enlarge this by clicking on this icon and connect translate Y of your controller to your upper joint, translate Y. Translate Y to your upper joint, translate Y. Now select your controller, try to move and see. Now select your upper joint. Press Ctrl plus Z to create two group. Rename the group as upper joint group 1 and this one as upper joint group 2. Now select these two group. Click add selected node to graph. Move this one here. Type here shear. Right click, show all attribute, and connect rotate X to your shear YZ of your group 1. Click on unit conversion 1, open your attribute editor, type here -1. Move the group 2 here. Again type here shear. Right click, show all attribute, and connect rotate G to your shear XY. Move the unit conversion 2. Again type here -1. This time select your controller. Try to move along Z and also X axis and see the effect. Make the value 0. Now again go to skeleton, create joint, create one joint here, press enter. Hide your controller, select your joint, press V to snap the joint here. Press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and snap this one here. Select this newly created 4 joint. Shift select your upper joint, press P to parent it to them. Now select this newly created 4 joint, shift select your cube, go to skin, click edit influence, click add influence, open option, edit reset the setting, click lock, click add. Now again go to skin, open paint skin option, paint skin weight option, select your joint, click unlock invert selection for the 4 joint. Now select the cube, click lock invert selection, select the joint 4, and wet the paint. Click replace, and wet the paint as shown. Do the same for all other 4 joint. Now select your joint, try to move and see the effect. See, select all the joint, type 0. Now select the cube, go to deform, nonlinear, select wave, increase the size of the wave handle, and parent it to your upper joint, and 0 the translate value. Now try to increase the amplitude and see. It is affecting both upper and lower part. So 0 the value. Go to deform nonlinear, open option. First select your cube. Vertex selection mode, go to side view. Select these vertices. Double click on your non-linear paint skin option. Select replace. Make this value to 0. Click flood. And click on these two icon, clamp lower and upper. Now right click. Click invert selection. Select smooth and click flood and smooth it. Now close the tool, go to object mode. This time select your wave deformer. Increase the amplitude and see. This time it is not affecting the lower part. Type 0 and select your joint. Try to move and check it. Unhide your controller. Try to rotate and see. See the effect. It is working correctly. Select this joint. Now again select your cube. Go to deform. Click lattice. Select the lattice from your outliner as shown and scale. Increase S and the U division. Go to vertex selection mode. Go to side view. Select the lower vertices and scale. Just like this. Select this vertex line. Go to perspective view. Go to object mode. Hide your lattice deformer. Select your controller. Try to move down and see the effect. Turn off your grid and also rotate. See the effect. Ctrl G to undo. In this process, you can rig a cube in Maya 2022. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next lesson.